Hello everyone and welcome to the Apple MacBook. This is an exciting time for us in the Alcorn School District as we begin to transition to new software and a new system which is here with our MacBooks. I'm going to give you a little introduction as far as what the homepage looks like and your opening layout, how it differs from your Windows machine, but how it will eventually accomplish the same tasks. As you can see, once you have gotten your MacBook signed in and opened up, that here the home screen looks a little bit differently than your PC does that was previously in your classroom. You can obviously see that down in the bottom left-hand corner there is no start menu. And you notice that the time and the Wi-Fi and other tool settings are not down in the bottom right-hand corner. The hold bar that used to be at the bottom of your PC has pretty much migrated to the top of the screen here in your Mac. So as you see in the Apple here in the top left corner, that has taken the place of the start menu. And the Apple here allows you to sleep, restart, shut down, lock your screen, log out, and other items are available there in the Apple menu. Now, the Apple menu works the same way as the start menu did in your previous Windows machine. Now, you notice here just to the right of that will show you programs that you might be working in currently. And it will also give you options like File, Edit, View, Profile, and some other tools that are available to you. And you can see many of those options are similar to what they would have been with your PC machine. Now in the top right corner you'll see that there's the time and the day settings, and you can also search anything up here, and there's some other options available such as Wi-Fi settings, sound settings, printer settings, and other things of that nature. That's what's available here to you in the top right corner. We'll take a look at some of those features in a subsequent video. Down here at the bottom, you'll notice there are a lot of icons, and this is called the dock. This works similarly to a PC as what a quick access toolbar would be. This gives you the opportunity to customize the bottom of your screen to give you access to the applications that you're going to be using most often. Now, as you can see, many of mine are customized for applications that I use on a daily basis, but there may be something down there that I am not in necessarily need of. I can go to that application, I can select it with my cursor and drag it across here to the dock. And once you release that in the trash can, it will remove it from the dock. And now it has freed myself up some more space where if I wanted to add something, I could. Now you notice here on my desktop, I only have one application that is assigned to the desktop. Now if I want to get rid of this application or add it to the dock, it's just as simple as clicking on it and dragging it. And I can drag it down here and place it in the dock as well. Now in the current state, it still lives on the desktop screen. But obviously I have other apps that are available to my Mac that aren't visible on the desktop screen and aren't visible in the dock. You will reach those by going to the rocket icon in the left-hand corner of the dock, selecting that. This is your launch pad. Now the launch pad gives you access to all the applications that are native on your MacBook or have been installed to your MacBook. And so you can find those here. And if you find an application that you need and you for sure want to put down in the dock, you can take that app and you can simply drag it to the bottom. And when you release it, you'll notice that it appears here in the dock, but that it also continues to live here in the launch pad. It's just that simple of customizing the bottom of the dock as clicking and dragging either to the trash can to remove or pulling it from the launch pad to add it. Now, one other item of business as far as the dock and the opening of the home screen. If you need to maximize the size of your dock or minimize the size of your dock, you can do that by this right here. Notice inside the dock there are two bars. There is one on the right-hand side and there's one closer to the left-hand side. If you will find either one of these bars, you will be able to take your mouse over the top of it and you'll notice that there is a pull bar. Shows an up and a down arrow. If you click on your trackpad and pull up or down, you can adjust the size of the dock. Now, just know the more things you have in the dock, the less opportunity you have for it to grow. The more things you take out and the less you have, you can obviously make that bigger, and your icons will continue to grow larger. So that is available here in the desktop portion. We'll take a look at some other features in some upcoming videos.